In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw head and shoulders pattern on Tradingview. We'll keep this simple and precise so you can follow along in real time. A head and shoulders pattern is a classic reversal setup made of 3 peaks. A left shoulder, a higher head, and a right shoulder, with a neckline connecting the lows. Our goal here is to plot it cleanly using Tradingview's built-in tool. Start by opening your chart. Use any symbol and time frame you prefer. But make sure you have enough price history visible to see 3 distinct swings. If the chart feels cramped, zoom out slightly so the structure is easy to recognize. Clear visibility helps you choose accurate anchor points. On the left toolbar, open the drop-down that contains drawing patterns and select head and shoulders. This activates the tool and gets it ready to capture your clicks as you identify the structure. Now, mark the left shoulder. Click on the high point of the first shoulder. This is the first prominent swing high that precedes the tallest peak of the pattern. Take a moment to confirm, it's a meaningful pivot and not just a tiny blip. You want a clear swing that stands out from nearby candles. Next, mark the head by clicking on the highest peak. This should be the tallest point among the 3. Make sure it's clearly higher than the left shoulder you just marked. Whether you prefer to anchor to wick highs or candle closes, be consistent with that choice across all points so the pattern remains visually coherent. Then, mark the right shoulder by clicking on the high of the second shoulder. This swing typically forms after the head and is often similar in height to the left shoulder, though it can be slightly higher or lower. The key is that it's lower than the head and clearly forms a separate peak. Finally, set the neckline. Click on the low point that follows the right shoulder to define that neckline. Necklines can slope up or down depending on price action, and that's normal. As soon as you place this final point, Tradingview will automatically connect your anchors, drawing the full head and shoulders outline along with the neckline for you. Take a quick look to make sure the structure matches what you see on the chart. If something looks off, double-check that your chosen highs and lows truly reflect the major swings. Remember, this drawing process is for visualization. It doesn't confirm a trade by itself. Use the time frame and context that suit your analysis style. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.